I thought I loved Russ when I married him because he was funny and he did fun things, and that's very true. But I think you love someone more when you see them at their worst.
Stage 4 cancer, which first showed up 11 years ago, and I was told to get my affairs in order. Susie and I had only been married a year and a half, so it was really, you know, just news that I didn't want to have to share with her, being, you know, newly married, but God knew exactly what I needed. So many God stories, tumors in other lung, back, legs, and every single time it was a miracle. God saying, I'm going to help you find this before it becomes totally out of control. He had no evidence for, I think, 5 years, but then they found some more tumors, and so we're starting a whole bunch of new treatments. God's made me this way. He's given me the courage to say, I'm willing to face these challenges, and I want to do it in a way that shows others everything's going to be okay. We both feel very grateful because with challenges give you a chance to show how much you trust in God. He has shown me over and over and over again, you know, just don't give up hope and just be ready for whatever outcome, you know, I provide. And that's what I've tried to do. I've tried to be satisfied with whatever news I need to hear. And while I'm here, to try and give back to the community, to my family, to those people who are most in need.
Russ brings a smile to my face. He's been on the Harris board for the last 4 years, and that was about the same time as Beyond Limits was coming into fruition. Beyond Limits is a post-rehabilitative program for our members. It's for people who have life-altering injuries, typically permanent injuries that are no longer served by health insurance or even able to see doctors. And they're people that are typically maybe have stroke or gunshots, or they're paralyzed of some sorts. We have several people that are blind, and they need assistance working out, really to have a quality of life. Russ really understood it right away, what we were trying to accomplish, and he had the contacts to make it happen. This was a program that was just really, it was going to focus on a small number of people, but it was going to be a program that was so unique that it was going to help people that really a lot of people had given up on. He's just such a source of inspiration for me, for the team. It's really, it's just inspiring. I think the why is something that I want to make sure it's there for my kids, and I now have a granddaughter, and I want to make sure it's there for her. It's just a very special organization. I want to make sure that anyone who knows me would just know, you know, Russ was a man of hope.